This is called bottlenose bomber because this is like a bottle cap, right? So they name it bottlenosed bomber. Now let's fight. We can take a color sheet. I took two sides origami paper, one yellow side, one white side. Now make lines like this. So like this, and then fold like this, and then like this. Full fold. Now we're ready. Now make a triangle. Now, then the other side too. Then we get like this. Now the second step is you do like this on the middle. The other side too. Then we get like this. Off to the next step, third one. Now make a backside mountain pose. You hope it's in this line. Like this. After the next step, fourth one. Now fold like this. And like this. And this other side also. Make sure you have a diamond here. Now make sure you have like this and do back side. And then here you just slowly do like this. Now after you make like this, I do like this. Then like this. The same thing on the other side. Now take it like this and put more stickers if you want and if you have. Now paste this star sticker on this side. Same the opposite, then you're done. Paste the same one here. Then you're done.